How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to ConstantlyVariedFitness, and in this video we're doing a review of the Score It band. Now, I've been to a lot of different gyms and they all have different ways to help their athletes keep track of rounds and reps during the workout, whether it be a whiteboard with a marker, maybe they have chalk around the floor, maybe they have poker chips. This is the next best thing to help you keep track of rounds and save so much more time during your workouts. Now, if you are someone that needs those kind of tools to help them keep track of their reps and not lose count, because you just, when it comes to high reps, you might, get in the zone and just tend to forget where you're at and zone out. Maybe it's the workout has 10 plus rounds and you forgot, am I on round 7 or round 8? This band is gonna help you save so much time and effort, because instead of you going over and spending 10, 15 seconds to grab your marker and do a tally mark or move a poker chip over, whatever it is, you can now just simply, as you're walking to your next exercise, because you finished that round, move a bead over and then save, again, those 10 to 15 seconds, which adds up if you're doing a very long workout. So talking about the band itself, it's a very thick, durable material, but it's also very comfortable at the same time. It helps wick any sweat if you're the kind of person also that just drips sweat down their arm and gets onto their hands and affects their handstand push-ups or them grabbing onto a barbell. This definitely helps prevent that issue from happening. And the beads are 2 rows of beads. One is a solid color of beads and one is alternating colors, so you can use one row for rounds and then one for helping keep track of reps in between those rounds if you'd like. You could do it, let's say you're doing a workout like Angie that has 100 reps in it. Every 20 reps you can move a bead over, just make sure you're keeping a tally of how many you've done, and then once you've done all of them, boom, shoot all those down, you're on to the next movement. Move one of the top beads over, or however you want to get it done. That's typically how I would use it though. I've also been using it a lot for my strength portions too, because I don't tend to forget a lot of my reps and sets during workouts. During workouts, I'm pretty in tune with how many reps I want to do, because I don't want to do any extra work. If I'm pushing myself and trying to get the workout done as fast as possible, I'm making sure I'm keeping track of my reps. But where I tend to forget is my strength portions. If I'm doing back squats, front squats, snatches, whatever it is, and let's say it's 5 or 6 sets, and you just finished your 3rd set, but you go and you grab some water, you go talk to somebody, or you grab a foam roll and you come back, you're like, oh crap, was I on set 3 or was about to do set 3? And I tend to forget that way. So the Score It band's another way for me to make sure that I'm keeping track of my rounds or my sets during my strength portions to not do any extra work towards the end and waste time in the gym. It's also very beneficial for interval work too, where you have set work to rest ratios. So let's say you're outside and you're gonna do track work. Boom, you have your band with you. You don't need to bring your poker chips to the track. You don't need to bring your whiteboard with a marker. You can easily keep track of all your rounds and reps right there on your wrist. So if you are the kind of person that tends to forget their rounds and reps on a workout, the Score It band is going to save you so much time and effort and be way more efficient during your workouts versus using those poker chips or that chalk that you have on the floor. This band is very beneficial to a lot of you guys, and I would highly recommend getting yourself one. They're only $18 on their website, very durable, it's gonna last you an incredibly long time. It's not like it's gonna fall apart after day 1, so it's a very essential tool to have, and I would have it in your gym bag every single time you go to the gym. But I have a giveaway for you guys. So Score It band and us have partnered up to give you guys 2 bands and a t-shirt of whatever size you would like. So all you have to do for the giveaway is go to our Instagram, find the post of the Score It bands on there, follow ConstantlyVariedFitness and Score It band, like the photo, tag 2 friends. That's it. You can tag as many friends as you want for as many entries as you'd like. The giveaway starts Friday and will end Monday afternoon. So make sure you go tag some friends, tell them to tag some friends too, and you guys have the opportunity of, getting yourself some Score It bands. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments on the Score It band or any other products you would like me to review next, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for plenty more, and we'll see you guys next time.